all of them are used to designing things on paper, but they really don't know what's involved to make it a reality. Teachers always try and impress on students the importance of understanding that what they're drawing on paper is not a drawing, but it symbolizes a building. It's a team project among architecture students, but it's also a team project having to work with the people that build the buildings. And what they come away with is an appreciation for the importance of teamwork and working together with those that actually make your building a reality.
This will be, I believe, our 7th year of competition, and it's the 6th time we've done it with strictly second-year students here. It's part of their curriculum now in the spring semester, and it's been very successful.
What's really good about this is it's really the first time the students have an opportunity to understand physically how something they've conceived of on a piece of paper or in the computer in this virtual world as an abstract idea becomes physical form.
Part of that effect also continues onto this wall. It doesn't matter.
The section.
Come up. This is going to come up, and then this is going to be level.
No, it's not going to be level.
The left is turned on its side and it's 6 inches. It's 2 courses of brick.
These are being pushed in, so when you walk by these, you see this like condition like, oh, what's on the other side.
What we got to do is we got to put the glass block next to see how much. It's a 4-inch glass block, right?
Yes.
So you want to hang it out maybe about 5 inches.
I might have to cut a couple to make this work. So in other words, just be ready to go run to the saw. If you have to cut a 1/2 inch off one, or something like 3/8 of an inch.
This right down here is going to be held back. Let's go up against that. I'll feel comfortable. This is the only area.
Yeah,
Any possibility.
Act as like a retaining wall.
When we're placing the mortar, we put that stick along the wall. We pour the mortar on and then place the brick on the top and remove the stick.
Because we're going to wash it Monday and late Saturday and Sunday. We'll give them a couple of type and mortar.
There you go.
Let me say one thing to you. We got to cut a lot of cuts because these guys are going to lay them quick.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to be ahead.
How far would we rotate it? Could we rotate it to try and put the last
Does it need to be the last glass block?
Yeah. Could it?
Push it over this way a little more.
Maybe you need to rotate it like that.
Pull this way.
how to work together, and how to approach people. And that was really the first challenge, the first moment, which was good because we got it out of the way.
It looks like we've got a really good start to the build for 2009, and the students and the faculty and the Masons are very, very excited about this year's build. Keep on top of it. Don't be distracted by your faculty. That's still don't get distracted.
Well, it won't show now, but it goes up 2 feet. Yeah. So you're not going to see much. You'll see it down here, and then once it goes up the steps, it's done.
Honestly, it's one thing to see the mock-up as a model and then being built. It's a magnificent transition. You see the actual bricks now shifting and rotating, and you understand the concept. And once the actual the whole build is up, you'll see the one wall that's straight and the other wall that's rotated and shifting away and creating that space. And that relates to our building directly in every single space and pragmatic space we're using. So it's beautiful. We're loving it.
This one? Yeah. This one will look like this is going to look good. Right. I make this one look good, but this one is never going to look good. No?
Right, so the other option would be to do this and then that afterwards.
Now just do everything the same. Does it you rake it or join it? Just get this, we get this up. Tomorrow we'll have this, that other corner, and finish the top on top of the steel. much higher? Where you gotta go? They're about halfway there now. Really? No, they're up to this block. All right, yeah. After that block. Yeah, up to that block.
Oh, you give me another 2 courses now.
As you can see behind me, the excitement level is still as high as it was yesterday. And I finally, I think, figure out why. I mean, having done this a couple of years, we talk always about this relationship between the Masons and the students and how excited it is for them to be able to share their knowledge. But I think that fundamentally what makes it such a successful event is that everybody really has the chance of sharing their enthusiasm for the fact of building, the act of building. And to me, that's really what gets to be represented every year and what makes such a successful event.
Tom, you gotta get my cuts, let them get his cuts, like I told you. You wanna get this done today, let's do it.
I'm so excited to see it actually finished built, because, I don't know, it's different to actually see it like in drawings, to see it in, I guess, like the digital model, but when it's actually built, like this is the first time we've ever done anything like this, so it's really exciting. I can't wait till it's all done.
Floating, and that's what we're trying to do, so if you don't see the motor, you see like the bricks are floating in the whole wall, and they're not like stacked on each other. And also that we have the running man going on, they're like the bricks are like moving, like if you see there's like alternating colors, like red and black, and then dark red, light red, so they're moving in a diagonal way, so as you're walking up the ramp, the colors on the brick pattern, they're moving along with you. So that's the whole going to ramp, going from start to the end to the top. So that's where we are right now. So it's almost near.
I think it's one of those days that all our students look forward to. It gives them an opportunity to build their dreams. And the nice thing is that you really get a sense of energy, a sense of camaraderie between the designers and the very capable masonry professionals that make this all possible. So we are delighted that we have another opportunity to experience this extraordinary thing, Masonry Day at NJIT. You will see among the students and the parents that are watching what their children are doing, that they're doing something important, they're doing something meaningful, and they're really learning that architecture is about building, not just about making pictures on pieces of paper and having digital models. This is the real thing, and it's this impression of how you translate an idea into reality that really gives this day very special meaning.
Mike, I had her gradually.
Actually,
thought that the extraordinary thing you have done for us for the last 7 years should be remembered in some permanent way. And so I would ask you to pull that blue ribbon.
I'd like to thank you all very much. It's beautiful. Is it a bandana? Thank you all.
You'll have to be a little more forceful.
Wow.
So.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's awesome.
So in perpetuity, this will be known as the Schmerbeck Rotunda.
Thank you very much. That's awesome. Thank you. Jeez, I don't know what to say. Thank you very much. Unexpected.
That's very rare that you
Wow.
know what to say.
Wow.
But, I'm delighted that we can do that for you.
No, that's fantastic. I'd like to thank you very much. I tell you, it's I mean, my guys in the office know that it's our pride and joy. We come up here and help and do the best we can and try to give back to the industry that has given to us. And there's no better place than here at NJIT, and I am so honored. And thank you very much. Thank you.